Hi, this kata is called determine offspring sex based on genes XX and XY chromosomes. To cut a long story short, this function is about the sperm of a man, which is the argument of this function. And what we have to do is to find out if it contains two X chromosomes. And if the sperm does contain two X chromosomes, we have to return congratulations, you are going to have a daughter. However, if the sperm contains a Y chromosome and an X chromosome, we have to return congratulations, you're going to have a son. Let's go. As you see, we have an X chromosome here and a Y chromosome. And in such a case, we have to return congratulations, you're going to have a son. How can we do this? Well, by doing the following. We can access the indices of the string. We have index 0, which is the X, and we have index 1, which is the Y. So let's access them with square brackets. And here we are going to access the Y. Yeah. And what we have to do is to check a condition. If the first index is equal to Y, let's check it out, it is true. Then we have to return this string. Congratulations, you're going to have a son. So if this condition is met, colon, we return the string. Let's check it out. Yep, works like a charm. And in all the other cases, else, we return, congratulations, you're going to have a daughter. Let's change this up. Works like a charm. You can omit this, by the way, and this will have the same result. And there we go. Hope this has been useful. I thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.